Water moves fast, faster than you expect. One moment, everything is calm. The next, chaos erupts. But when the unexpected hits, precision matters. Reliability matters. Timing is everything. That's where we come in. At Cymatic Plumbing Solutions, we move quickly, quietly, and with perfect control, restoring order, protecting your home, and giving you peace of mind. Because when life leaks, you need a team as smooth, precise, and unstoppable as a finely tuned machine. Cymatic Plumbing Solutions. Precision in every drop.